here is probably more clear the climate change because we have less vegetation along the river. This is the Pisuri River. This is one of the Blackwater rivers. Now it is connected with the other river, but this river is just for rain. No rain, no water. The level of water depends on how much rain we have in the area. The color normally is black, now the color is different because the level of water is changing. Important to know, that place belongs, that area belongs to Copan people, to this group of people that we're going to visit.
Amazon Lodge. This is our house for the next days.
What's that?
We are hearing in this way there is a nest. All of you can see the nest. Not the black one, the one which has brown color.
Yeah.
That is wasp nest.
Oh.
There is a group of wasps, but probably it's a bit hard to hear. But in this area, there is a sound like the army marching. It's like, maybe for the louder. 1, 2, 3.
Marching!
Now listen.
I hear the echo.
Can you hear?
Heartbeat, panting sound.
Power monkey.
Well, that is behind.
Okay, no.
Our monkeys is making the sound behind. You saw is great. They're gonna explain why the color is great.
There they are.
A tribe, for many tribes in the Amazon, they are like the owners of the water. They are kind of a spiritual animal. For us, for humans, for people like me, like for nature lovers, they are bioindicators which show us if the water is fine. Why? Because they feed on different type of fish. Why? Because they live in a, or they like to stay in a clean water. There was a time that in Peru and Brazil, Colombia and Brazil, people used to kill dolphins in order to catch a catfish that attract dolphin blood and dolphin meat. That fish they used to export to Europe in a crazy way. In Brazil is not anymore. No, because they kill dolphins for that reason. They stop the business with this fish because the level of mercury in that fish is very high, and Europeans discovered that it's very dangerous to eat that fish. In Colombia, for 5 years, it's not allowed to sell that fish, but next year... You don't see it?
Ya le movió así.
Oh, I just saw him
Para
move.
saludar.
There's a big leaf in front of us.
Okay. Thank you, Sloth, for
Can we move
moving.
forward just a little bit?
Yes.
Why don't you move that leaf?
Súbete un poquito más, Cleverín, por favor. It looks like it has a baby. It looks like
Yeah.
it has a baby,
Parece
but let me
que
check
tiene,
a
parece
little
que
bit
tiene
more.
cría. Cría parece que tiene. Pero parece que cría está moviendo.
The big
He moved.
thing.
Female impregnate, or maybe around it has a baby.
Well done, Diego.
Yes, good job.
Thank you very much. So if you continue in the same way to the right, there you will see more. The tail is hanging, which is the easy way to see them.
There's one up there. There's more than one.
Yes, madam. You see, when they are wet, you can see they are skinny. When they are wet, you can see they are skinny. But when they are dry, they look very fat monkey. It is a vegetarian monkey. They
Vegetarian?
live in groups around 7 to 9 individuals by group. Saki monkey, look at that, eh?
Come
Yes,
down, buddy.
madam. And if you check, one of them has a baby on the back. There is a male with a baby on the back, somewhere there on the back. Here, in this type of monkey, males take care of the babies.
Oh.
Smiling face. A sloth, three-toed sloth, here. In this tree with the red leaves, here. Climbing. In this way, look at me, my friends. In this way, this trunk here, if you go to the mid-level of the tree, there is climbing the sloth. Right here. ¿Qué pasó, Marquito? ¿Se quedan abajo? It shows the size of the river.
Oh, okay.
Here I show that here is the beginning of Cuyabeno River that goes like this, like this, like this, like this. This is the end of the river that we saw. This is the place where we are, and this is the place where we go tomorrow.